That's what's poppin'.
I'm Rufio on iHeartRadio.
News Radio.
Tornado warning for the following county: San Diego, California. The National Weather Service in San Diego has issued a tornado warning for central San Diego County in southwestern California until 10:30 a.m. PDT. At 10:21 a.m. PDT, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Valley Center, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Valley Center, Escondido, and Hidden Meadows.
What exactly is DeSantis doing? He's kind of having to fight a battle without even being in the battle yet, which is going to be